What's up YouTube, it's Johnny and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine featuring Hair and Beauty hair. So the first thing you will need is a wig brush, a demi brush, and a conditioner of your choice. Now I'm using regular conditioner because I ran out of leave-in conditioner, but you will probably want to use leave-in conditioner so that your hair doesn't get hard. Now, the first thing that I did was wet my hair. I actually wet my hair in the shower because I didn't have a spray bottle. But you can either use a spray bottle or wet it however you would like. So I first combed through my hair just to make sure all the tangles are out.
Hate me, got me feel like Lenzo. Switching the game, swerving these lame, and I was in the stolo. That bitch came up missing, I parked that bitch right beside Monroe. Heater, man in the middle, people still don't play with him. He just bought him a pistol, now he waiting for an issue with girls. He got a problem, he never had his mama, so he ran up them commas, playing the ball in the summer. I tell him I ain't really real. I ain't really real. Tell it well, it's free, y'all. 9 o'clock, B-ball. Visitation Saturday, we finna have a feast, y'all. Fuck the crowd. D-dog. Feelings I don't need, y'all. Convicted feeling, with convicted feeling. Knock a street off. He scared of smoke. Peace call. Tryna bring me down. Seesaw. I was blind to the fake, y'all nigga fake. Can't see y'all. Shots fired, street call. Yeah, that's a street call. I'm on probation for 2 years, so I be gon' police out. Talking bad money, bitch, you ain't get no bad from me. Ain't got nothing to offer, so what you niggas gon' add from me? Eating in my class, homie, get a due to crash dummy. Baby, smoke me hand, legs driving stolo on, so you still getting fat money. I move so fast, homie, I can't know it'll be lonely. I still ended up wanting, but ain't no killing me on block, ain't no head tag from me. These niggas try to move on the block, but ain't no fucking dummy.
So after the hair is tangle free, I'm just going to go in with the conditioner of my choice and apply it thoroughly throughout the hair.
I'm on illiterate, my bitch she pretty, before she got long hair and she say period. Man, these niggas still ain't hearing me. Swear they ain't hearing me. When I was on that block spitting, I freestyle writing remedy. That when my own family said I would make it in and feeling me. They the same people who I hate and not the enemies. These niggas hating on smoke, trying to take me out of my will. I came a long way from coming straight up out of that field. Bitch, I'm a blocko, I rock stolo, plus I hang with some krill. You fuck around, we shoot your house or leave your mama in tears. And when it sucked up, then it stuck that, how you know that for real?
So after I made sure that I put the conditioner all throughout every piece of hair, I'm just gonna go back in with my wig brush and brush the conditioner through.
Got killed. My niggas be on the block so that we gon' pop out. Cause I missed a couple days in school, wanna say I'ma drop out. No cap, I was at 8 to 8 whenever school was not out. Nigga dissing on the ground, that's some shit that might get your top shot. Raw. Tell it well, it's free, y'all. 9 o'clock, B-ball. Visitation Saturday, we finna have a feast, y'all. Fuck the crowd. D-dog. Feelings I don't need, y'all. Convicted feeling, with convicted feeling. Knock a street off. The Kid Frankie.
Now, after I've applied the conditioner and brush it through, I'm just going to go in with my Eco Styler gel and apply it throughout the hair. It doesn't take too much because you don't want your curls to be stiff or hard. So you can go in with any light gel and apply it throughout the hair. Doing this step just helps to better define your curls.
I thought you knew me. I thought you knew me. Slow that I am for the rhyme and hit 2 people. I ain't worried about no nigga coming through me. And you lame niggas, you ain't with the cruising. You slang iron, I ain't crying on reducing. You slang iron, I ain't crying on reducing. Had to tell them I was in the streets too deep. I ain't get no sleep. He sold it, but I got some money, but
so if you're curly head like me, you know about the demi brush. So after I've applied my gel, I'm gonna go in with my demi brush and help to juicify my curls.
Would've started trapping, but then again they would've took me from my own family. You can't even put your trust in gun, they might start jamming. Get in a situation, might even get put in the casket.
So as you can tell, these curls are beautiful. So this is my first time trying curly hair, and I was very pleased with HairInbeauty hair.
School on me home like it's Saturday. And why the fuck they try me like I'm dumb, bitch, I ain't Patrick? And why you think they looked up to my dad like a champion? Because he was on one legal street trapping. I swear to God, you think I'm lying, man, you can ask me. They never won question, he is on from Jackson Street. I'm a blocker, no I'm not, so start asking me. I'm from Lincoln, right by Slappy, bullet slappy T. We see police, then we start catching knives like we athletes. Baby smoke.
So now that I've completed the actual curly hair routine, I'm just gonna go in with my Eco Styler and slay those edges, hunty.
Pussy ass, I ain't never knew me. See, I was rocking Polo Jordan and the Gucci, but that's after I had to hit by 2 licks. I ain't worried about no nigga coming through me. I thought you knew me. No, I thought you knew me. Might slant it down and fuck around, hit 2 people. I ain't worried about no nigga coming through me. And you lame nigga, you ain't with the crew, see. You slang guy and I ain't crying on with Doozy. You slang guy and I ain't crying on with Doozy. I had to tell him I was in the streets too deep. I ain't get no sleep. Tell him I ain't really real, smoke, you gotta kill him. I tell him I ain't really real, smoke, you gotta kill him. I tell him I ain't really real, smoke, you gotta kill him.
Play that shit on TNT.
They said that they would never call me, man, I swear they changed. But then again, realize a friend that they gon' be the same. I remember days I was wrong, they don't remember my name. But then again, on Baby Smoke, I could never be tamed. I ain't talking YB, but my niggas stand on nation business. Don't fuck with you, I want the cash, so come and state your business. I try to tell them boys something, but they would never listen. But then again, they were my friend from the damn beginning. I remember days that I ain't happy, they was heavy. These niggas wanna see me dead or in the penitentiary, but I can't.
So after I finish my edges, I'm just gonna go back in with my demi brush and lay the hair exactly how I like it. This concludes the end of my curly hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you guys want to see. See you guys in the next video.
The chain rhyme, getting a couple bitches that went little but they had cane rhyme.